Morning, afternoon, and night. So I catch you whatever time you're at or I'm at. This is my it doesn't have a name. A lockpick kit. My tension wrench is gone. Made of leather. That's cool. Anyways, that one there is for the gas cap pick. And I notice it seems to work. I think I got it. I got it. It was in the way of taking out that bolt right there. Anyways, you can order these online if you want, but one thing I found out about these things is you got to be extremely careful because you can mess a ignition up really quickly. Anyways, comment, like, and subscribe, share. Have a nice day, have a nice life. Happy tow trucking and Silverados and Duramaxes and all other happy horse shit. Later.